Sunny Paji, on your left here, Simran Singh from the first post. यहाँ पे, जी. So first of all, congratulations to the team for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, in the age of digital and VFX loaded films, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should not be filled with special effects. What do you want to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have. I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do everything myself. So, उस वक्त सब चीज़ें raw ही होती थी. And it's just after, I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable, I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being shown, there are many films and series nowadays, coming out on such topics. So, how different is it for this film, which you felt, this is the USP for, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Behzad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen. And it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything aajkal jo bhi ho raha hai, paisa hi ho raha hai.
Hi, Sunny, this is Priyanka from Indian Express, towards your center. Hi. Sunny, I wanted to know that, you're one of the first patriotic heroes on screen. You've been the symbol of this theme on screen for the longest. And we've seen, a resurgence in filmmakers' interest towards this theme in the last 5-6 years. How do you view it, these films today? And how do you feel the treatment of patriotism as a theme in Hindi cinema today?
I think we're diverting from blank, aren't we? See, first and foremost, the most important thing is, are we all patriotic or not? Do we love our mother? Do we love our country? That's the most important thing. It should not be taken as some kind of a sellable thing, okay? And that's not how I have done my films or ever. Jab bhi maine kuch bhi kiya, it's because I believed in the characters and I did that. And mostly I've always done films where the characters have been strong, fight for something, and that's my nature also. I just go till the end, and I'm not a kind of a person who gives up. So somehow that reflection comes across, and so some films which I've done which are on the patriotic note, so somehow people connect with me more. And it was never what we call a sellable thing or something which we did, but definitely now the whole world has changed. Everything has become marketing, and so everything has to have a reason why we do and what we do, and then we all make graphs about it. Everybody does that nowadays, so I think that's what's happening right now. Season hai, kis cheez ka season hai, wo banate hain log.